How to install Anaconda on your PC. Search for Anaconda on your PC or laptop. Click on this website. Now click here on Free Download. Now, click here on Skip Registration. You can download Distribution Installer or Miniconda Installer. I am downloading Distribution Installer. Click on Save. I've already downloaded it, so let's get to the setup. Select the file and open it. Wait for a moment. Click on Next. Click on I agree. I am choosing All Users. Click on Next. Just wait for a second. Now choose the location and then click on Next. Now tick that boxes. And finally click on Install. This might take a little while, so you have to wait. It's done. Now click on Next. Now uncheck them. Click on Next. The process is completed successfully. As you can see, now we have Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda Prompt. Subscribe to our channel for more useful and helpful videos.